Among the estate's neglected grounds, a hidden gate beckons with a promise of secrets yet untold. A riot of colours dances in the sunlight, whispering of life amidst the forgotten garden's stillness. The letter, fragile as a whisper, reveals a love that time had cloaked in shadows, waiting to be unfurled. The weight of the past settles on Lily's shoulders, urging her to delve deeper into the mystery hidden within her grandmother's garden. Faces frozen in time gaze back at Lily, their silent voices urging her to unlock the secrets woven into their sepia-tinted memories. With each turned page, Lily steps further into a world where love flourished amidst adversity, its echoes resonating through the years. In the gaze of her ancestors frozen in time, Lily finds a mirror reflecting the yearning and devotion that transcends generations. In the hush of realization, the threads of time weave together, binding Lily to a legacy of love that refuses to be forgotten. As she tends to the garden, Lily becomes a guardian of love's enduring legacy, a keeper of stories whispered by the wind. Behind the lens, Lily frames a legacy of love, ready to unveil a tale as old as time to her audience, a testament to the power of love's enduring grace. In the fading light, the garden becomes a sanctuary of love, a testament to the resilience of the human heart and the beauty found in the quiet corners of remembrance. As the sun dips below the horizon, Lily embraces the legacy of love that has guided her journey, a story of love found, love lost, and love remembered, echoing through the ages.